So when you receive assignments, then what you can do is you can go ahead and grade them out. So to do that, I'm going to go around on the essay one right here, and I can see that one student has turned this in right here. You can get ahead and then add in marks over here. But what you can also do is you can see the details for this particular student. So I'm going to go around over here and click, and what happens is that it opens up this particular assignment in a new window, as you can see, and over here you can actually view what they have written out. So you can see that this is what you have right here, and they have submitted 2 files. So you can go ahead and check what they submitted over here, just like this, and then this is what you have. So you can see that, you cannot actually go around and preview this, but you have to download it. In that case, you can simply go around and download this around over here and view out the assignment just like this. So as I open it up, you can see that there's 2 files right here, and this is the document that is submitted. Right now there's no content over here, and you can also see the docs that the student has submitted. You can go around over here and then expand this out as well and see the docs right here just like this. So this is what you have. And then over here, what you can do is you can go around and add in a grade right here. Let's say, for example, 45 out of 50 right here. Then what you can do is you can go around and return out this submission or multiple submissions that there are. So return the submission right here, and the students will be notified and can check any grade that you have left right here. So once you go around and return it, what happens is that the assignment will be graded. And this is how you can go around and check the assignment, the content that is submitted by student inside of Google Classroom, and then you can open it out to check it and then grade and return it to the student. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.